Hello everyone, welcome to VMS class. In this video, I am going to explain CountVectorizer, which is going to commonly used in the natural language processing. So when we are working with text data in machine learning or natural language processing, so one of the challenging task is how can we convert the text data into numbers so that the machine can understand. So you can see there is a text here. I love Python. Python is easy. I love coding. So computers cannot understand the sentences like this. So that's why the machine learning algorithms work with the numbers, not the text. So we have to convert this text into the numbers. So this is where the count vectorizer comes into the picture. So what is the job of this count vectorizer? It is going to convert the text documents into the numerical vectors. It is a very important thing. Count vectorizer converts the text documents into numerical vectors by counting how many times each word appears in that document. So this is basically available in the sklearn.featureExtraction.txt module. So you can directly import this count vectorizer function from the sklearn.featureExtraction.txt module from the scikit-learn library. Let me explain what is this count vectorizer. Count vectorizer means we are going to convert a collection of text document into a matrix of token counts. In simple words, what we are going to do, we are going to extract all unique words from the document. We are going to create a vocabulary, count how many times each word appears. We are going to represent each document as a numerical data. Okay. As you mentioned, why do we need this count vectorizer? So if you have the documents like this in the form of a text, machine learning algorithms cannot process these strings directly. So what we are going to do, we are going to pass something like this. You can see that this is a kind of matrix which contains zeros and ones. Now the question is, how can we get this kind of matrix? Okay, we will see that with an example. So this kind of text conversion is very important in different kinds of applications like sentiment analysis, spam detection, text classification, recommendation systems, chatbots, and search engines. Now, how this count vectorizer is going to work? The count vectorizer works in mainly three steps. The first step is a tokenization. What we are going to do, we are going to break the text into individual words. For example, I have a document like this, I love Python. It is going to split into the individual words like this, I love Python. Like this, it is going to split individual words. Okay. Now, we are going to create the vocabulary from all the documents. So like this, we have multiple documents. We are going to collect all the unique words from all the documents. For example, I have three documents in a list like this. Now from this, we are going to find the unique words. You can see from these three documents, these are the unique words. Coding, easy, is, love, Python. Now, from this, we are going to create a vocabulary. Okay. So, in the vocabulary, we have all the unique words. For that, we are going to provide one index. It can be like coding is 0, easy is 1, is 2, love is 3, and Python is 4. Like this, we are going to collect all the unique words and we are creating the index for each word. Then step 3, we are going to count the frequencies. Now count vectorizer counts all the occurrences of each word in every document. For example, it is taking the first document. Let me take the first document is I love Python. Then from the vocabulary, it is going to assign how many times each word is coming. For example, love is coming one time, Python is coming one time. All the other words are given as zero because zero occurrences in this document of these three words. And similarly, you can see the vector, it is 0, comma 0, comma 0, 1, comma 1. We are going to provide in the same order for all the documents. Then second document, Python is easy. So this is going to take Python 1, is 1, easy 1. So that in that order, so that words will be replaced with 1 and the remaining are 0. For example, document 3, I love coding. Now in this case, love word is going to get 1, coding is going to get 1, all the other words are getting 0 because 0 occurrences are there. Now we are going to finalize the matrix. Now the document, this is the first document and this is my vocabulary, what we got. Okay. Now in that vocabulary, so love is coming one time, Python is coming one time. This is now converted data. And this is the second document and this is the third document. Basically, this is considered as document term matrix. Okay, so whatever the data we are getting, this is called document term matrix. Okay, now how can we get this kind of matrix in sklearn? So for this, you can use a simple logic. We have to use the count vectorizer. You need to import that from sklearn.feature extraction. So now let me go to the Google Collaboratory and show you Google Colab and execute this cell line by line. Now I am going to extract line by line here. The first line is to import the count vectorizer function. Okay. Now let me take a new file here. Now the name of the file is count vectorizer here. Now let's take the first line. I am going to import the count vectorizer from this. Now I have this three documents, list of documents are there. Now you can print the documents. It's basically a list, not more than that. So each item is considered as one document. Now for this, I need to call the function, okay, count vectorizer. So I am creating an object for that. Now, if you want to transform the documents, we need to pass all the documents. Okay, you need to pass all the documents to the vectorizer, whatever the object you have created, vectorizer dot fit underscore transform. Now, the documents we are going to pass to this okay vectorizer object through the fit underscore transform. Now, we are going to get x. Let me print what is x here. You can see x is basically is going to show you it is a compressed sparse row matrix which is of d type int 64 with 7 stored elements in a shape 3 comma 5. It means that we have 3 documents and there are 5 unique words are there. Okay, for example, I want the vocabulary from that. What is the vocabulary from these 3 documents? You can use this print vectorizer. Okay, we have vectorizer dot vocabulary underscore. Okay, so now if you print that, you can get the vocabulary, can get the unique names along with their indexes. You are going to get that. For example, I want the features. What are the features? You can use vectorizer dot get features names out. If you use that, you can get what are the features. So these are the unique words. You can see that there are 5 words are there. So that feature you can see here in the form of a list. Now I want to see the matrix here. For that, you can just convert that to array. X is now the object which we created, x dot to array. If you do that, you are going to get this kind of count matrix. Okay, whatever we got in this, that we can easily get it. This is the same matrix we got. Okay, so like this, count vectorizer is mainly helpful for converting the text documents into a numerical vector. So that is going to help more in kind of natural language processing applications or text processing applications. Okay, if you like this video, Please subscribe to our channel for getting more updates on computer education. I will see you in the next video.